Fine diamond jewellery from the Diamond Store. Exquisite, conflict-free diamond and gemstones go into making our beautifully handmade necklaces and pendants. We don't just sell jewellery, we make it. Each necklace or pendant is handcrafted and hallmarked in the UK, fully backed by our 5-year guarantee and presented with an insurance certificate. The Diamond Store is one of the UK's highest rated online jewellers. With free UK delivery, your jewellery arrives in plain, discreet outer packaging so as not to spoil any surprises. The Diamond Store. Luxury with confidence.